about yesterday. My, oh my.
So when you first walk into my room, this is pretty much what you see. My bed is your first view. And then when you turn to the right, this is kind of my makeup slash hair station. That's me, hi. So this dresser is from IKEA, and if you look closely, you'll see that there's holes in there, which is because when I built this, I built it not the right way. And I created holes. That's fine, it's whatever. So the knobs on here are actually from Zara Home. So I switched out the basic black ones for these, and yeah, I really like them. They're a little crooked, but I kind of like the look of them not being perfect, if that makes sense. Yeah, on top of here, I just have my jewelry. I have this photo frame, but I still don't know what to put in there, so that's just empty for now. This candle from H&M Home. This one smells so good. Then I just have my makeup brushes. This is a mirror that I use to do my makeup, which is also from Zara Home. And then I just have my favorite perfume, some Q-tips, and some cuticle oil. So yeah, this is where I spend most of my time when I'm like getting ready and stuff. I have a trash can right there and my slides. And then I have this huge mirror, which I got from a Dutch online store, which I will put on the screen. If you're Dutch, you can order it. This is like the most perfect mirror. I always take my outfit pics in here, and yeah, literally love this thing. And then over here, I just have my bed, which is from IKEA. I think all of my pillows are from H&M Home, if I'm not mistaken. This blanket is also from H&M Home. Then I have this crooked shelf on the wall, which was supposed to kind of be my nightstand, but I honestly never use it because it's crooked and I still need to take it off. I have some Polaroids on my wall, which I'm also gonna get rid of. There's still a couple of changes I want to make to my room, but all of you guys have been asking for this video, so I'm just gonna do it anyways. Yeah, just some Polaroids. And then over there, I just have this like picture from Chanel. What's that? Like a lamp thing, whatever. It's from Desenio, so it's a frame. Actually, no, the frame isn't from Desenio. No, yes, it is. It is, okay. So then there's my window. I close my curtains because you can literally see exactly where I live if I don't do that. And I know that some people have already found out where I live, so that's kind of creepy. Anyways, so when you sit on my bed, this is what you see. This is my favorite corner, honestly. Up there, I have a frame from Desenio. It's not sponsored, by the way. I paid for it myself. But I have this little desk thingy, or like side table, which is from IKEA, and this used to be my vanity, but now I kind of use it as like a side table for my TV, which this is my TV. It's from Solora. It was super cheap and I got it when we moved into this apartment. On here I just have another picture frame from Desenio, a book which is called How to Set Up and Run a Fashion Label. I haven't read it yet, but yeah, all the books that I own, like I honestly haven't read all of them, but I just get them for decor. I have a rituals candle, which the inside is black from it burning. Then I just have my TV remote, and this is the remote that I use for my lighting, like the lamp in my room. And then I have this little gold mirror tray, which is from H&M Home, I'm pretty sure, and I just have 3 candles in there. I have a photo frame, which is like really old, and it's my mom. And yeah, I just put it there because I like the frame and I like having my mom there. And then I have this flower like vase pot thing, which I'm pretty sure is also from H&M Home. And I usually just like keep my glasses in there. And then I have this room spray, which is from, I don't know, is it Meraki? I think that's the brand. But I love spraying that in my room after like cleaning it, and it smells like super fresh. Then down here I have 2 books, just again like fashion books for decoration. Whew, I'm out of breath already. And then I have this picture frame. I don't remember where I got the frame from. I think the photo I got on Etsy and I just got it printed out. I had it in my old room as well, in our old house. And yeah, it's just Kate Moss. I think she's gorgeous and I think it looks cute on the floor. I have this big bag from Teddy Blake, which I like to use when I need to like bring my laptop somewhere. And then I have this laundry basket from H&M Home. So then getting up, this is what you see next to it, which is pretty much like my closet. And then I recently got this little extra attachment to my closet, which is where I keep my shoes. So up here I just have like boxes and like bags from designer purchases that I made. I have the Chanel book and Invoke book with my, what's the brand? I forgot the brand, but this speaker I got from Urban Outfitters. And I just keep it on there. I don't use it all the time, but I sometimes when I'm in the mood, I just turn it on and listen to music. Then down here, I just keep some more bags, some more fashion books, and then this poetry book. Everyone knows Milk and Honey. I just keep a pair of sunglasses here. These are from my mom made it. I think they look really cute. And this is a candle holder, which currently does not have a candle in it. Then down here, I have this leather like tray thing from H&M Home, which I have a pair of sunglasses in there. I have some like gift cards and stuff. Then over here, I have some pictures, just some random stuff. And I keep some of my favorite bags next to it. And now we're kind of heading on to my shoes. So over here, I keep all my sneakers. And then down here, I keep my boots. And I'm definitely planning on getting some more shoes. I really want to kind of work on my shoe collection, but I still have room to like add shelves, so that's going to be fine. And down here I just have a basket with a blanket that my mom made like a really long time ago. I'm just kind of there for decoration. And then here is my closet. I recently actually did a cleaning out my closet video, so I'll link that down below. I'm not really going to go through all of this because I did in that video. And yeah, I also did a video on my closet like a year ago when I just got it, I'm pretty sure. So I'll also try to link that down below. But this is my closet. I get questions about this all the time. It's the IKEA pack system. And you can basically like design your own closet. So yeah, if you look up the pack system and you go into like the planner, like the designer, then you'll be able to like recreate this if you want to. Then over here, I have two hooks on the wall, which just keep some jackets, sometimes a bag. Up there, I have this like neon light, which I haven't turned on in literally probably a year. I kind of want to get rid of it, but I just haven't yet. And then here's my door, which I just have my robe and then this like silky robe as well, like kimono thing. And that is pretty much my room. It's not very big, but I feel like I utilize my space really well, and I'm super happy with what it's like right now. There's still some changes I want to make, like I want to get some new bedding, I want to get rid of some things on the wall or like replace some things. But yeah, this is kind of it for right now, and I hope this video was helpful. If there's anything that I didn't mention where it was from this video, let me know down below in the comments and I will make sure to look it up if I remember. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.